Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage app permissions on this device. Alright, so to do this, first you have to open our settings. Now you have to scroll all the way to down, and here we have to open our apps, and now here we have to choose whatever app we want to manage our permissions in. For example, I'm gonna use Maps, and here you can do whatever you want with this app. For example, you can turn on or turn off permissions to mobile data. Here we have also background app refresh, and you can do this stuff with whatever app and whatever permission you want. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!